To turn on or off vibrations on the Huawei Watch Fit 4, all you simply have to do is just grab your watch, and from here you'll have to go into the settings. So let's quickly move into these settings right here. As you are in this list of these applications, you'll have to scroll all the way down to get into these settings. Let's go in there, and from here you have to scroll down again until you find these sounds and vibration. Let's go in here, and you will be able to find these vibration settings. As you scroll down a little bit, there you can find vibration. So let's go in there, and from here, simply by using this crown right here, you can change these vibrations to strong, soft, or to turn them off. So if you want to turn off these vibrations, you will obviously go for off, and if you want to turn on vibrations, from here you'll have to select if you want these vibrations to be soft or strong. And if you select any of these options, you will have the preview of these vibrations of how they actually feel. So yeah, select any of these, press OK, and that's how you can do this.